What's going on, guys? Mitch from Panda Motorworks here, and in today's video we're going to be installing the IAG Paracord Grab Handles on our four-door Bronco. If you love cruising in your Bronco with the top off or the doors off, then these grab handles are perfect for you. They come in a wide variety of colors to match your style or Bronco, and they install in just a couple of minutes with only one tool. So if you follow along, I'll show you how right in this video. As I mentioned previously, these grab handles are super easy to install, and you're only going to need one tool. That's going to be a wrench with an 8mm socket. So to do so, we're going to first locate the bolts that need to come out. Right above where the doors would go, you're going to find a bolt here, and you're going to find a bolt here. It's going to be exactly the same on the other side, and you're going to have two bolts in the back. One thing to note, if you do have a two-door, you only need to purchase one pair. However, if you do have a four-door Bronco, you are going to need to purchase two pairs. If you'd like to do so, I'll go ahead and leave a link for that in the description below. So like I said, just take your socket, just get these unscrewed. If you have power tools here, highly recommend, just to cut out the tedious work. For today's video, I'm actually using the wrench that comes in the Bronco toolkit with the sweet Bronco script right there. However, they do not have an 8mm socket, so this I did have to pull out of the toolbox. So ours were actually fairly loose from the factory, so not a whole lot of torquing had to go in to get these out. They're coming out pretty simple. All right, now that you have those removed, you're simply going to take your grab handle like that. You're going to thread the bolts through each side. So right there, and then right there, and you're going to reattach them. Just going to go ahead and get them started first. And tighten. Super simple, guys. If you have your toolkit in your Bronco and you have an 8mm socket, you can get this done in your driveway or garage or apartment complex, wherever you're at. Gonna make sure they're tight, because we will be testing these to see just how much weight we can put on. We're not gonna quite max them out, but we'll put a good amount of weight on them to show. Just like that, we got our grab handles installed. Let's take a look. Very nice. The quality is very good. You can definitely tell that these are on there. They're using the OEM mounting points. Very high quality. Like I said, the install process is super simple and the same on all four corners. So I'm going to go ahead and skip that process and just show you the final product. I am now in the back seat. I just finished up the installation of all four IAG Paracord Grab Handles, and I must say I really do enjoy them. I'm about 15 minutes into the project. Again, we're using only that 8mm socket and then the wrench that comes included in the toolkit. I gotta say, this is a 10 out of 10, would recommend. I personally love the overhead style grab handles, and I was actually pretty upset that the Bronco didn't come equipped with them. So I'm super glad that this is a modification that you can fix that problem very effectively and very affordably on the aftermarket. Again, if you guys are interested in picking some of these up, I'll leave a link for you in the description below. But now let's see just about how much weight we can handle with these things. So as I mentioned earlier in this video, we're gonna do a little bit of a durability test just to see how much weight these grab handles can support. So first, we are gonna start off with a 5-liter jug of Motul 8100 Ecolite. This is the same oil that you can find in our Bronco oil change kit. So we're just gonna go ahead and get it hooked up to our nice hook here, see how it does. So as I expected, the grab handle is pretty much unfazed. It can easily support the weight of this 5-liter jug. So since we are able to do the 5-liter jug of Motul with ease, we're gonna step it up a bit to a cast wheel. The wheel we're gonna be using is an 18 by 8.5 niche Misano wheel. This is a cast wheel weighing in about 24 pounds, and we are going to be hanging it from the valve stem opening to see just how much weight this grab handle can support. So let's go ahead and do it. I am fully through. My hand is supporting, letting go. The wheel is staying there all on its own, just on the weight of the paracord handle. So in my book, that's a pass. So that's gonna just about wrap up today's video install of the IAG Paracord Grab Handles. If you guys enjoyed the video, be sure you're smashing that like button. If you got a comment for us, drop it below. And what do you guys wanna see? We're open to suggestions. Leave video ideas in the comments below, and chances are we just might do it. Thanks for watching.